cross product of two vectors in terms of their rectangular components. In terms of their rectangular components, cross product of two vectors in terms of their rectangular components. So let vector A be axi cap plus ayj cap plus azk cap. Vector B be bxi cap plus byj cap plus bzk cap. ठीक. The vector A cross vector B is equal to axi cap plus ayj cap plus azk cap cross bxi cap plus byj cap plus bzk cap. Now take first term and multiply with first, second and third term. Ax, bx, ay, ax, bx, ay, by, az, bz are simple number, so they simply multiply. I, j, k are better, so cross appear inserted between them. So first term axi, first term of this is bxi. So when you multiply, then you get ax, bx, I cross I, and first term is axi, second term is byj. Multiply sign, plus into plus plus ax into by, ax by. Now we multiply unit vector I j. So I cross j, ax plus sign, bz plus sign, तो plus into plus plus, multiply coefficient ax bz, and now multiply vectors, unit vector I k, तो I cross k plus. Now take second terms of first bracket ay j, multiply with first, second and third. So first we multiply sign, plus into plus plus, then coefficient ax by, ay bx, then unit vector is j, unit vector is I, so j cross I, multiply sign, plus into plus plus, then coefficient ay into by, so right here ay into by. Now unit vector is j, unit vector is j, so j cross j, multiply sign, plus into plus plus, coefficient ay into bz, so right here ay bz, then unit vector j k, j cross k. Now we take third term, multiply sign, plus into plus plus. Now multiply coefficient ax az bx, now multiply unit vector k cross I, k cross I. Now multiply sign, plus into plus plus, then coefficient az by, and then unit vector k and j, k in first case az bx, k cross I, az by, k cross j, third term plus into plus plus, az bz और k cross k, right here k cross k. The cross product of like unit vector is 0, so this becomes 0, and this unlike become third vector taken in clockwise, minus third vector taken in anticlockwise. Then this becomes 0 plus ax by I cross j is in clockwise order. तो I cross j is k, तो right here k. A plus ax bz, तो right here ax bz I cross k. I cross k is third vector j. This is in anticlockwise, so minus j. So minus j. P plus ay bx, right here ay bx, j cross I third vector k, j cross I is anticlockwise, so minus k. P plus j cross j is like vector, so their product is 0, so right here 0. Now ay bz, so right here ay bz, j cross k is I, right here I, plus az bx, k cross I is third vector j, this is in clockwise direction, and az by k cross j is anticlockwise, so minus I, and k cross k is like vector, so 0. Now we collect like terms of unit vector. This is your I cap, this is your I cap. So right here ay bz minus az by I cap. J collect terms of unit vector j, here minus j, here plus j, so right here az bx minus ax bz unit vector j, plus take third terms, so third terms is k, third unit vector is k, here plus, to write ax by minus ay bx unit vector k, ठीक. तो this is your a cross b, so we can write this expansion in form of determinants. So you can write this in determinant form. So first row of determinant is formed by unit vector ijk. Second row of determinant is formed by coefficient of ijk of vector a. So ax, ay, az. Third row is formed by coefficient of ijk of vector b. So right here bx, by, bz. So this is your a cross b in terms of their rectangular component. Now physical interpretation of cross product. Now we study physical interpretation of cross product. So physical interpretation of cross product. Physical interpretation of cross product. Physical interpretation of cross product. So suppose this is your vector A and this is your vector B. These two vectors are inclined at angle theta. to complete parallelogram having side length equal to magnitude of vector A and side length equal to magnitude of vector B. Then suppose O P Q R are parallelogram. Draw normal from R on A. So normal from R on A is RM. एक in right triangle RMO RM upon OR is equal to sin of theta. So RM is equal to OR sin of theta. OR is the length of arrow for vector B. OR is the length of arrow of vector B. So length of arrow of vector gives magnitude of vector. So OR is the magnitude of vector B. So right here B sin theta. So this is your Rn. So from definition of cross product of two vectors, vector A cross vector B is equal to A B sin theta unit vector n. So A sin theta, B sin theta is OM, RM, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines, two parallel side of parallelogram. A is magnitude of vector A, which represent side OP, arrow length OP give magnitude of vector A. So A can be written as OP, to write here OP, to OP into RM, to OP into RM into unit vector N. To OP into RM, A cross B. Now we take mod, so then this become mod. So mod A cross B is equal to OP into RM. Unit vector, magnitude of unit vector is 1, right here 1. So mod of A cross B is equal to OP into RM. So OP into RM is area of parallelogram. OP into RM is area of parallelogram. So this is your area of parallelogram. So thus mod of cross product of two vectors which represent two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is equal to magnitude of area of parallelogram. So thus area of parallelogram vector A is equal to vector A cross vector B. So let area is S, represented by S. We have used letter A here, so we show area S, surface area S. So S is equal to vector A cross vector B. So thus cross product of two vectors which represent two adjacent sides of a parallelogram in magnitude and direction gives area of parallelogram. So half of this become area of triangle of OPR. So to find area of triangle, we find 1/2 cross product of two vectors which represent two adjacent sides of triangle in magnitude and direction.